Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sydney and I usually put out videos once a week. However, you may notice it's been a while. So I actually did have COVID, which I think really kind of threw me off in a lot of aspects of my life. But yeah, besides that, I was putting videos out once a week before that. I have a lot related to like shoes, just like kind of shopping in general. I like handbags, things like that, just overall lifestyle. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos. I have a few videos that I pre-filmed before I got COVID that I still have to edit and post on YouTube, but I knew I had to do this one right away. So it only makes sense that the first video I post after being gone for a while is a sneaker unboxing video. So today we have some Jordan 1s. Let me just tell you, these are not my size, so I'm not going to be showing them on foot or anything. These are actually a men's 10.5. In men's shoes, I'm a 7.5. So these obviously aren't going to fit. So I won't be keeping these either. I'm probably going to hold them. But anyway, we'll talk about that later. Let me just show you what we have to unbox today. And I have another pair of Jordan 1s on the way too, so expect another unboxing very soon. So these ones are brand new though, like they just came out. These were from Foot Locker. Someone I know, they ran it through a bot. That's how I got it. Didn't get through manually, if we're being honest. And I had some mixed feelings on these shoes, so that's why I was interested to see them in hand. We have some tissue paper. And there you go. So these are the Volt 1s. So I just want to show you guys a closer look. I don't really know how I feel about these shoes. Please let me know how you feel. I don't know, like I just feel like I'm not crazy about these two colors together or something. Or maybe just like the neon's throwing me off. I kind of feel like if this was gold, it'd just be a better shoe. Okay, so it's your classic Jordan 1 silhouette. It comes with white laces and then also black laces. You have the black sole. The midsole is like a little cream, kind of off-white. And then we just have, obviously, like the toe is white leather. The leather on the shoe, it's okay. It's not like as nice as some other Jordan 1s. Whatever. I do like how the toe is black. I think that looks so nice, and it's a super matte black. And even like this piece right here on the laces, like this piece lifts up, which I think is cool. I think that the actual style of this shoe, like this lifting up too, I do think there's details that are really cool. I'm just honestly not crazy about the color. And right here, of course, we have gold, and then this like highlighter, like neon yellow green up here, which lifts, as we mentioned earlier. And here it's kind of interesting because obviously it's always foam, but like this isn't leather, like this is foam. So I could see that staining and kind of being hard to clean, to be honest, especially if you're like wearing jeans. But yeah, it's like that the whole way around. Like you can tell, let me say that it's not leather. But I think one of my favorite things about this shoe actually is the tongue. I think the tongue's really cool because we're getting a lot of like similarities between this shoe and what we see in some off-white Jordans. So you have the exposed foam on the tongue, which is kind of neat. But also this tag right here, I like how it's like see-through and it's backwards. So usually like the Nike Air would be up here, but it's not. So I think that's kind of cool. And then all the stitching's that neon color. And then on the inside, you have the Nike Air logo. All right, so as I previously mentioned, this is not my size at all. It's way too big, so I'm not even gonna show it on foot. I'm keeping these dead stock anyway because I'm going to sell them. Originally, I was just going to move them fast because I feel like there wasn't a lot of interest in this shoe, but I also don't think there was a lot of quantity out there. So I think I'm actually going to hold them probably until about summer because this is more like a spring or summer shoe. So if anything, I feel like the prices will rise during spring and summer. I told you I'm personally not crazy about the color, but if you are into neons like this is actually like a pretty cool shoe. Just all these little details, like the tongue. So I think that when people see these in person or get these in hand, it might spark some interest. So I think that's why I'm going to hold them. I don't see it being like a super profitable shoe, but I think it can hit at least $300 in this size at least. So I'll probably try to wait until then to sell them. But let me know what you think, because I don't know, I feel like the shoes, like Jordan 1s, I feel like 9 times out of 10 you're guaranteed to make money, but I feel like there just wasn't a lot of interest in the shoe. But sometimes time passes and people, you know, become interested. So we'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts on this shoe. Also, be sure to subscribe because, as I mentioned, I have another pair of Jordan 1s on the way. Those I'm keeping for personal, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on that. Bye, guys.